what just happened? 'Cause I don't recall. Can't imagine why you talk to me at all. Am I standing? Did I start to float? Lovely feeling that I wish would never go. But I know that just like the summer days, baby, your gaze is fleeting. And out of all the words I say, yeah, it sounds insane, but I mean it when I tell you I don't wanna love another. And baby, this time I won't stutter. Mind is racing at a breakneck speed. Hands are shaking, and it's not the caffeine. At least I don't think so. I guess it could be though, but it doesn't matter either way. 'Cause I'd still say something stupid like, what would you do if I stayed? But just like the summer days, baby, your gaze is fleeting. And out of all the words I say, yeah, it sounds insane, but I mean it when I tell you I don't wanna love another. And maybe this time I won't stand for way too long. And I hope I don't say something wrong. I'm just intimidated by your perfection, but head over heels for you at the same time. I hope what I say sounds coherent, but if it doesn't, could you read my mind? 'Cause just like the summer days, baby, your gaze is fleeting. And out of all the words I say, yeah, it sounds cliche, but I mean it when I tell you I don't wanna love another. Oh yes, you could be my girl, and I your best for lover. And maybe this time I won't stutter.